Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Lesson Plan Corner. Today in this video we will see how to make lesson plan and topic would be using a mouse. This is computer lesson plan and you can see format how we have to make lesson plan. If you are doing B.Ed then please do subscribe my channel because on my channel you will get video related to B.Ed as well as if you need PDF you can get PDF also. All you have to do is just comment me in the comment section below. Okay, so let's see how to make this lesson plan. As you can see here, previous knowledge and general aim. So for general aim, what we have to do is we have to write what we want to teach to students. So what would be our aim? So and what student will learn from this. So student will be able to use computer mouse and they will be able to use mouse and means they will be able to know everything about mouse because we are going to tell them how many buttons are there and everything related to it. Okay, and teaching aid you can see model, chart, etc. Whatever teaching aid you are going to use, you have to write all that things here. You have to mention all those things. Okay, now let's just turn the page and here you can see introduction part. So for introduction part I have added 4 questions. Okay, first question we have to ask would be what is computer. Then student will try to answer. And then we have to ask tell me 4 main parts of computer. Then student will answer monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard. How many buttons are there in mouse? There are 3 buttons. Students will answer because they have already learned about this in chapter 1 and chapter 2. And last we have to ask about everything about mouse, like buttons, everything. Okay, it would be problematic. Here you can see objectives and specifications. Okay, so like this we have to ask questions to students. After that we have to give and we have to announce our statement. We have to say today I am going to teach you topic using a mouse, and we have to also write the topic on the blackboard. Okay, so like this you can see here all the things that we have to mention here in the lesson plan. Okay, and this is the overall look of our lesson plan. Now let's just turn the page and here we will see presentations part. Okay, presentation 1 you can see. So we can draw a diagram like this on the blackboard and we have to explain everything about that. You can see here all the things that we need to follow while using a mouse. We have to write all the blackboard also. Okay, here question related with that. So what is mouse, what is mouse pad, means we have to ask a question related to whatever we have teach to students. Okay, what is meant by click, and here you can see expected answer that we expect from students. You can see here 4th question would be tell the names of all the buttons of mouse, and student will answer left button, right button and scroll button. Okay, now here you can see blackboard work, so we have to also write whatever means we think that is main point and we should highlight that, so we can write it on blackboard also. You can see here how we have to write on the blackboard, and as well as here also we have to mention the same thing. Here you can see teacher explain with the help of chart, students observing chart and chart. We have to also again we have to explain everything through the chart. Here you can see presentation 2, 3 types of buttons, so we have to explain about 3 types of button: left button, right button, scroll button. Here you can see question related with that, and here you can see answer that we expect from students. Okay, now here you can see blackboard work, so here we have to also once again write all the things that we think is important and we should highlight them, so we can write it on blackboard. And this is overall look, and let's just turn the page and here we will see the rest part of presentation 2. Rest part of presentation 2, here you can see double click, so we have to explain about all these things, and a question related with that here you can see, and here you can see expected answer that we expect from students. Okay, okay, here you can see blackboard work, so here I have mentioned about dragging. What is dragging? Okay, after here you can see teacher shows chart and students observing chart, and for teaching aids we have to write chart. Okay, now recapitulation part. So for that we have to ask question what is mouse. Okay, what is mouse pad, what is dragging, tell something about double click. This will be the question that we have to ask to students, and here is the expected answer that we expect from students. Okay, and this is the overall look. Now here you can see application and evaluation. So for that, fill in the blanks you can see here. Okay, so I have given here like 4 fill in the blanks you can see here. Okay, and here is a home assignment. So for perfection of the knowledge, we have to also give home assignment to students. So this was my lesson plan on the topic using a mouse. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you need the videos in Hindi medium, then please do check it out on my other YouTube channel named Nutan Online Study. Okay, we will meet in next video with another video topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.